Hey friends, welcome back or welcome to my channel. If you are new here, hi, my name is Amai and happy St. Patty's Day. Today is 17th of March, so every time it comes around to that time of the year, I try to wear a little bit of green if I'm going out. And this year I made a bracelet that I'm about to show you guys how I made the clover. Now, if you are interested to make this bracelet or see how I made this bracelet, I will have the video linked, or you can check out my channel. It is very easy to make, so if you are a beginner, you should be able to make this. Also, if you are someone who has like a side crochet business, you can use the pattern to um, make some for your stall or your shop, just for a quick, sale around the St. Patty's Day, or around the month. So yeah, I'm gonna show you guys how I make my clovers. I used a crochet thread, and this is from the brand Artist. The recommended hook size is a 1.5, but I'm gonna use a 0.75 millimeter hook. For size reference, this is really small. Like I said, I needed it for my bracelet, so it's about an inch long. And I have my quarter here, just so you guys can see it. Like I said, it's about an inch long, which is 2.5 centimeters. So it's really not that big. But if you want to make it bigger, you can change the hook size, go up maybe one or two sizes, or if you think this is too big, you want to go smaller, use a smaller hook. But I'm using this thread with this yarn for that 1 inch size, so it's that's my size reference right here. So depending on what thread you use, or if you change your hook size, the clovers might be slightly different in size. But overall, if you're using a crochet thread, it should be small. So we're gonna start, and you're also gonna need a scissors. So let's begin. And we're gonna start by making a magic ring. This is how I make my magic ring. I leave a little bit of tail, wrap the working yarn around my fingers like this, make a crossover with that end tail, then I pull the yarn or the thread around my fingers. I pull that out of my fingers. I'm gonna make this smaller. I grab my hook, put it through that loop, grab the working yarn, pull it under and up. And we're gonna start by chaining 3. And to chain, you're gonna yarn over and pull through the loop. That's 1. You're gonna make 2 more. So yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through. So 3 chains. Now you're gonna make a treble crochet into the magic ring. And to make a treble crochet, you're gonna yarn over twice. So 1, 2, then put your hook into the magic ring, yarn over, pull up. You should have 4 loops on the hook. You're gonna yarn over and pull through 2 first. You should remain with 3 loops on the hook. You're gonna yarn over with your working yarn and pull through the next 2 loops. And you should have 2 remaining, which you're gonna yarn over and pull through the final 2. So that is your treble crochet. Then you're gonna chain 3. 1, 2, 3, and then make a slip stitch into the magic ring. Now chain 3 again. 1, 2, 3. Then make a treble crochet. Again, to make a treble crochet, you're gonna yarn over twice. So 1, 2, then put your hook into the magic ring, yarn over, pull up. You should have 4 loops on the hook, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, and yarn over, pull through the final 2. Then chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and slip stitch back into the magic ring. What is this thing? Okay, so far we've made, this is like 2 petals. We're gonna make 1 more. So chain 3, 1, 2, 3. Then make a treble crochet. So yarn over 2 times. Then chain 3. And slip stitch into the magic ring. Okay, so I'm gonna pull the end tail to close the magic ring a little bit. So this is what we have. We have 3 for this 3 clover right here. Now if you want to make a 4 clover, you're gonna add 1 more of this that we just did, but I'm gonna stop here because I only want the 3. I made enough 4 already. I just need 3. So after that, if you need 4, you're gonna make 1 more and then you're gonna do this part. So you're gonna chain 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Then skip the first chain into the second chain, make a single crochet. So put your hook through, yarn over, pull up. You should have 2 loops on the hook, yarn over and pull through both. So that's a single crochet. Now in the next chain and the remaining chains, you're gonna make a slip stitch in each of those chains. So put your hook through the chain, yarn over, pull up, and then pull through the loop on your hook. And just continue with a slip stitch all the way back up. Okay, so this is my last chain. I'm gonna make my slip stitch. And then you're gonna slip stitch back into that magic ring. Then chain 1 and you can go ahead and cut your yarn. Now pull the end tail all the way through where the magic ring is to close that up. And we're all done. Like I said, if you wanted the 4-leaf clover, you just have to add one more of these clusters right here, or the petal, and you're gonna have 4. That's all. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video where I show you how to make this bracelet. Thank you for watching.